The third Military Radar and Border Security Summit welcomed 1,500 visitors in the Turkish capital Ankara. At the summit organized by Business Association MUSIAD Ankara, 110 companies exhibited their latest products to the procurement committees from over 20 countries and local defense industry representatives. Turkey made a request to the U.S. to purchase 40 Lockheed Martin-made F-16 fighter jets and nearly 80 modernization kits for its existing warplanes. Turkish Aerospace Flight Academy, which is the only approved helicopter flight training academy in Turkey, has performed 12,000 hours of flight since 2010 and has trained a total of 331 pilots so far. Turkey's leading land systems and bus manufacturer Otokar won a major bus tender in Jordan for a total of 136 buses. The contract includes 100 Vectio models and 36 Kent models for the transportation needs of the Greater Amman Municipality, the Jordanian capital. The Memorandum of Understanding was signed between Turkey's Defense Industries Presidency, petroleum pipeline company BOTAŞ, and defense company Havelsan for the use of Havelsan's National Enterprise Resource Management System (KOVAN). Organized by Konya Metropolitan Municipality, Konya Science Festival opened its doors for the 8th time for its enthusiasts. U.S. Central Command opened an official Turkish Twitter account.